So it's easy to find where your water valve is located at, because that's where your fill hoses attach. You'll typically find them on the back of your washer, and they may be up mounted into the console, or it may be lower into the back, maybe over to one side or the other. But just follow your fill hoses and that's your valve. And you'll usually see them marked by color, blue being your cold, red being your hot. So now that you know where it is in your machine, you're able to access it from inside. In this machine, we can easily see it where we have the cabinet off and the console flipped back. On other machines, it may be down inside, and you'll have to remove the screws that hold the valve so that you can pull it up and get it in place so you can see it and diagnose it. Some valves have their electrical connections very much out in the open, and they just have wires that push on. In the case of this valve, you can see that the wires go right into the valve itself. So its test point is here in the harness. So to release our connector, we're just going to press down on that blue tab with our thumb and pull the harnesses apart. So to test our valve, we're going to need this connection and our multimeter again. Now our machine is unplugged, and we have our meter set so it'll read continuity and make a signal when we have a connection. We're just going to take our block and we'll look at the color of the wires going to our valve. And on this side, the cold valve is a yellow and a white. Find those corresponding wires in the terminal block, which is here and here. And you see we have continuity. Now we'll check our hot valve, and it has a brown wire and a white wire, and we'll test in the same way. And it's showing good as well. So we have continuity. That solenoid is testing fine. So if the machine was connected to water and the power hooked up, when you turn your machine on, that valve should operate and should fill, so you get a bit of a hum and a vibration as well as seeing water come into it.